Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve email campaigns with Constant Contact step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Constant Contact account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Create button to start a new email campaign. Choose the type of email you wish to create from the options provided. Select a template that fits your brand and campaign goals. Once you've chosen a template, click on Edit to customize it. Add a compelling subject line that captures your audience's attention. Incorporate your logo and branding elements to maintain consistency. Use engaging images and craft a concise and informative message that addresses your audience's needs. Include a clear call to action to guide your readers on what to do next. Make sure to personalize your email by using recipients' names or other relevant details. Preview your email to check for any formatting issues or typos. Use the Send Test feature to ensure everything looks great in different email clients. Once satisfied, select your target audience from your contact list. Schedule the email for a specific date and time or send it immediately. After sending, monitor engagement through Constant Contact's analytics tools. Review open rates, click rates, and other metrics to gauge success. Make adjustments in future campaigns based on the insights gathered. Continuously refine your strategies to enhance future email marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.